The staff where we write our music is made up of 5 lines, and in between those lines, 4 spaces. That means that every staff can represent up to 9 different notes. But there are way more than 9 notes on the piano. So what do we do if we want to write notes that are higher or lower on the keyboard? We can actually extend the staff a little bit to help us reach higher and lower notes on the keyboard. Let me show you how. Here's the note on the top line of the staff. Now we already saw how the order of notes goes line, space, line. When we get to the top of the staff, we just keep going with that same pattern. We can fit another note above the staff and imagine it's a space note. Then, if we want to go even a little higher, we can add an extension line, or we call this a ledger line. So we can write the next line note. The same thing can happen at the bottom of the staff. If we're not done here, we can keep adding imaginary spaces and ledger lines to continue extending the staff in either direction. And so now you can see that by using ledger lines, we've been able to extend the range of our staff. Now you could use as many ledger lines and imaginary spaces as you want to extend the range of your notes from as high on the piano as you can go to as low as the piano as you can go. But I'm going to say that 99% of the songs that you're going to learn in your first 5 years of playing piano are going to stay limited to just one ledger line. The next 5 years after that, 90% of your songs are going to stay limited to 2 ledger lines. So if you're just starting piano, I wouldn't worry too much about notes that go higher or lower than that. So now that you know a little bit more about ledger lines, I wonder if you see any of the music that you're trying to learn. If so, comment below. How many ledger lines above or below the staff does your music go? Let me know.